Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's Keshwani, Keshwani. We are here because we want to learn algebra. Today is our lesson number 169. Day 169, we are in the process of solving word problem. We are in the process of solving word problems from day 101 through 200, and today is our 69th day. The problem is already on the blackboard for today. I'm going to read it to you in the event that you have trouble reading my handwriting. It says, how much interest will be earned on a deposit of 60 times M times P dollars? So we are investing this amount of money, 60 times M times P. Of course, we do not know what M equals to, we do not know what P equals to, obviously that's what makes it algebra. So 60 times M times P dollar is invested at P% per year for M months. For M months, M for the months, P for the percent. And the amount of money that we're investing is 60 times P times 60 times the percentage that we're earning on the deposit per year times the number of months that we're investing for. It's an interesting amount of investment. But that is what is invested for M number of months at P%. The question simply is, how much are we going to earn? Pause the video at this point if you wish to, if you want to solve it yourself, and then compare the work against what we're going to do, what we're about to do together, okay? So here we go. Here's the solution. We know that if we invest $100, $100 invested at P% earns P dollars in 1 year. That's why it's called P%. P% means if I invest $100 at 7%, I will earn $7 at the end of the year. If I invest $100 at 12%, I will earn $12 and so on and so forth. So if I invest $100 at P%, we should earn P dollars in 1 year. That implies, so if that is true, then that implies that $100 invested at P% should earn 1/12 of that amount, 1/12 of that amount in 1 month. Because there are 12 months in a year, so whatever amount that you're earning in interest for a year, you should earn 1/12 of that in 1 month, because there are 12 months in a year. So far so good. But we are not investing for 1 month, we are investing for M months. Right here. So whatever we are earning in 1 month times the number of months is how many we will earn in M months. So if you were to invest $100 invested at P% should earn P over 12 times M in M months. So whatever if we are earning this much amount of money in 1 month, then in 3 months we should earn 3 times this amount of money, and in 7 months we should earn 7 times this amount of money, and therefore in M months we'll earn M times this amount of money. So far so good. So if this is what we are earning, when we invest $100, then if we were to invest only $1, then we should earn 1/100th of this amount. One more time, I'm going to repeat it. This is the amount of interest that we're going to earn in M months when we invest $100. Instead of $100, if we were to invest only $1, then the amount of interest that we will earn will be 1/100th of that amount, because we will be investing 1/100th the amount of money what we have here. Instead of 100, it's $1. So that's the next step. So $1, that implies that $1 invested at P% should earn M times P over 12 times 100 in M months. But we're not investing $1. if this is how much we earn, if this is the amount of interest that we earn when we invest $1 for m months at p%, one more time, if this is the amount of money that we earn when we invest $1 for m months at p%, then if I were to invest $2, I should earn twice the money, 2 times this amount. If we invest $7, we should earn 7 times the amount of money. If we invest $12, we should earn 12 times this amount of money. We are not investing $1, we are investing 60 times m times p. So we should earn 60 times m times p times this amount. If we were to invest 60 times m times p dollar invested at p%, should earn p over m over 1200 times 60 times mp. That's it. That is our final answer. We just have to simplify it. We can't obviously leave it like that. We need to simplify it. So let's do the simplification now. But that is the answer. That is the amount of money that we'll earn if we were to invest 60 times m times p amount of dollar for m months at p%. Let's simplify it. We can cross out, if you will divide top and bottom by 0, this 0 drops out. And then if you divide top and bottom, 120 divided by 6, so we have 6 over 120 is what we have so far. 6 divided by 120, 6 goes 1 times, this goes 2 times, so it's 20. So cross out this, and this 120 becomes 20. So the final answer is, that we get is m times p times m times p is simply m times p squared over 20. That is our final answer. Let's put a box around it. That's it. We need to verify that answer. And how do we verify our answer? What we're learning here is how to solve an algebra problem. And the steps that you have to go logically, systematically. And at the very end, when you finally have the answer for any algebra problem, as I always said, it's always a good idea to buy an insurance. It costs a few extra seconds, but it's the premium worth paying to make sure to have a peace of mind that we do indeed have the right answer. And the way we do that is by plugging in numbers in the problem and thereby converting this algebra problem into simple arithmetic problem, redo the problem, convert it into arithmetic problem, redo it, and then see if the answer that you get in the arithmetic problem is the same answer that you get from this guy. And if they agree, then this is the right answer. So I need the room for all of that, so I need to erase all of this. I'll give you a second to do whatever you have to do here. One more time, I'm going to actually read it to you. $100 invested at p% should earn p dollars in 1 year. If it earns p dollars in 1 year, then it should earn 1/12 of that amount in 1 month. The next step was $100 invested at p% for m months instead of 1 month. If you invest for m months, it should earn m times this amount of money, p over 12. If this is the amount of money that you are earning on $100 invested for m months at p%, then if you were to invest $1 instead of $100, if you were to invest $1, we should earn 1/100 of this amount of money, m times p over 12 times divided by 100, it gives you m times p over 1200. But we're not investing $1, we are investing 60 times mp. So 60 times mp should earn us 60 times mp, the amount of money. And when we simplify it, it comes out to be m times p squared over 20. Let's erase that. Now we're going to redo the problem. We're going to redo the problem by plugging in numbers. Alright, so here we go. So how much do you want to invest? Let's invest, this is the amount of money that we're investing. I'm going to put it on the top here. Let's invest 60 times, what do I have here? 2 times 5. 60 times 2 times 5, which means your m is 2 and your p is 5. Your p is 5 and your m is 2. That's what I'm plugging in. You can plug in anything that you want. That's the whole idea. The whole idea is that you can plug in any numbers that you want, as long as your work is correct. If you do it properly, arithmetically speaking, that is, then the answer that you get through arithmetic way should be the same answer that this expression will give us, or this expression should give us if it is the correct answer. So here's what we're saying. Now the question reads, how much interest will be earned on a deposit of $600? Because say 60 times 2 times 5, 2 times 5 is 10, 10 times 60 is 600. So we are investing $600 at 5% per year for only 2 months. That's a very straightforward problem now. This is a very straightforward problem. $600 will earn, well, instead of starting out with 600, let's start with 100. $100 invested at 5%, because the RP is 5 right here. $100 invested at 5% will earn $5. That's why it's called 5%. Therefore, if you were to invest $600, 6 times the amount of money invested at 5%, should earn 6 times 5, $30, which makes sense because 30 is 5% of 600. How do we know 30 is 5% of 600? Because 10% of 600 is 60. Therefore, 30 should be 5%, which is what we are earning, 5%. So, $600 invested at 5% will earn us $30 in 1 year. But we're not investing for 1 year, we're only investing for 2 months. So $600 invested at 5% for 1 month will earn 1/12 of that amount. 6 times 5 over 12. 1/12 of that amount, because there are 12 months in a year. This is what it earns in 1 year. So in 1 month, it will earn 1/12 of that. We are investing for 2 months. So $600 invested at 5% for 2 months should earn 2 times that amount. 2 times 6 times 5 over 12. Let's see what that works out to be, shall we? Oh, this is very straightforward actually. It turns out that we're going to earn a whopping $5. Because 6 times 2 is 12, so this 12 cancels out with this 12. We are going to earn $5 in interest on our $600 if we were to invest it for 2 months at 5%. First of all, let's see if it makes sense. $600 invested at 5% gives us $30 in a year. Okay, listen carefully. If it gives $30 a year, $30 in 1 year. If that's true, then we should earn 1/12 of that in 1 month. $30 divided by 12 is 2.5. 2.5, because 12 times 12 is 24 and another 6. You see? 12 plus 12 plus 6 equals 30. So 30 divided by 12 is 2.5. That's in 1 month. Therefore, in 2 months we will earn $5. The question is, does this guy give us $5? That's the question. Does this expression give us $5? Let's find out, shall we? I need the room. I shouldn't have written all that there because I need the room, so I need to erase it. M, which is 2, M is 2, times P, which is 5. We need to square it over 20. What do you know? Does that give you 5? Of course it does, because 2 times 5 is 100. 2 times 5 is 10, and 10 squared is 100. 100 divided by 20 equals 5. Voila. They do give us the right answer. They do give us the same answer. The answer is correct. The answer is M times MP squared, M times P whole squared, MP whole squared over 20. That's how much money we will earn on a deposit of 60 times MP dollars at P% per year for M months. That's it. I know, it's exciting. I will see you tomorrow on day number 170. Alright? Bye now.